There is a very popular lie about lash lifts that almost everybody believes, and honestly, it's the reason a lot of people end up with weak and damaged lashes. If you've ever done a lash lift before, or you are considering doing one, you need to hear this. Let's talk. My name is Miracle and I am the brand voice for Just Serve Lash Lift channel. Hi, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, I talk about beauty, lashes, and actually protecting what you already have. Please don't forget to like this video, share, comment, subscribe. It helps the channel grow. Please. So let's get straight into it. What is the biggest lie about lash lifts? Well, the biggest lie about lash lifts is this: that lash lifts are completely harmless and lash lifts can be done back to back without consequences. That's not true. And I understand why people believe this lie. Lash lifts look so natural. There are no extensions, no glue hanging over your eyes. And so it just feels like, oh, it's my natural lashes. There's nothing too serious. Well. I am here to tell you that there is indeed something serious. So, here's what a lot of people do not know. Lash lift is basically a chemical process. Lash lifts work by breaking down the natural shape, structure of your lashes, getting them reshaped. Take a look at this video. the lashes look so soft, perfect, beautiful, and well shaped, the truth remains that they have still been processed. Now, don't get me wrong. The process of a lash lift does not exactly make lash lifts bad. Nope, it doesn't. It just simply means you have to start treating your lashes with more respect. Now, what's the problem? What exactly is the real problem about this? The real problem is not actually the lash lift. No. Getting a lash lift is not the problem. The problem is how people treat the lashes after getting a lash lift done. The maintenance after a lash lift process is exactly where the problem comes in. And it's not just about how they treat the lashes after, it's also about how often the lash lift is done. Some people do lash lifts so frequently, every single time they get an opportunity to do it. Some people do not even get to moisturize their lashes at all. And some people, oh my god, they rub their eyes aggressively and then they think it doesn't even matter. Well, it does. Now, what are the signs to show that these lies that you have believed over the years is starting to affect your lashes? If you have been believing this lie, your lashes are already showing it. And here's how. So first, you may notice that your lashes start to feel dry. That's the number one way to know that you have believed a lie all the time. Second, your lashes will no longer curl as well anymore. The curl would not be well defined anymore. Third, they fall out faster than usual. And the fourth, they look thinner over time. Now, that is not normal lash shedding. That is what we call stress. So let me be very clear. Lash lifts are not bad. Lash lifts are not evil. But lash lift is not something you should abuse. When lash lifts are done properly, spaced out properly, and the aftercare is done regularly, then lash lifts will come out beautiful. If you are still here with me and enjoying this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and drop a comment. But when people start to treat their lashes like a monthly facial procedure without giving it any rest and thinking that there are no consequences, that is where the problem begins. Your lashes need recovery time, they need moisture, and they need gentle handling. And lastly, your lashes need you to stop believing that nothing is happening just because it still looks natural. So guys, the biggest lash lift lie is not about the technique. No, it's not about the technique. It's about the mindset. Once you understand what a lash lift does, you start making better decisions for your natural lashes. So that is it about lash lifts. Let's go over it one more time. The biggest lash lift lie is doing lash lifts regularly has no consequences. It does. Secondly, thinking that you can do your lash lifts and not do an aftercare, that is worse. That is worse. Please, if you enjoyed watching this video and you understand lash lifts better now, give it a like, share with your friends, drop a comment, and I'll be glad you did. Please subscribe for more honest beauty conversations like this one. I'll see you in the next video. My name is Miracle.